Hey guys, it is the 8th of December and today we have a sunshine 50 millimeter. That's upside down. Doesn't really look like that good of a luck, but let's try. That might be a little bit small, but let's try it. And with the beautiful pick from Wiz. Click on pin 2. 3. One. Okay. Well, I did say I didn't think it was a good lock. Yeah, so that was quite nice and easy. Let's lock it and then get it on the tree. No, wait, I'm too fast here. We have a lot of time. Anyway, I almost forgot raking, rocking, and sipping. Let's start out by sipping. Ah, there we go. What was that, 3 or 4 sips? Let's try rocking. If we can get the tensioner to stay in place. And there we go. So far everything works. Let's rake. There we go. Alright, so yeah, not a very good lock, but yeah. And only I did notice, just we know it opens right up. So let's just quickly do that again. Hopefully, quickly. Come on. It was so happy to open just before. I did notice that it only have one cut for locking paw. So there is only one of those. So it should be quite easy. I wonder if it's actually bypassable. Ah, it is. Alright, so not really a good lock at all. It's bypassable and very easy to pick as well. So size doesn't really do anything. Yeah, alright, now we can get it on the tree. Let's see, I almost dropped the camera. The only one is actually that spot. Doesn't really fit. Let's take that one and swift it with that one. That fits a little bit better. Yeah. I also swifted these two around, the Apis and the Caesar, because that just looks better. That's the first 8 and the top is filled. So now we are starting on this row. Alright guys, that's all you get for the 8th day. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.